Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, still Tuesday, December the 29th, 2020, 2 days to go before, yes, 2 days to go, 29, tomorrow is 30, day after tomorrow 31, for the 31st, yes. And so we have 2 days left in 2020. And yeah, the fourth Sudoku I will solve will be number 2081. Alright, so let's get started. And my first strategy is to find single box or maybe more, then the dual boxes, then the triple boxes, and quadra boxes, and the penta boxes. Yeah, can we see here? I see here a single box. This one is a 1. Single box is always a 1. Here also a single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual box, I see here dual box. The 1 and the 2, I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark those for you. More dual boxes? No. Trip box, yes. The 3 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Quadra box. 1, 2, 3, and 4. No 5 in this box, in this area. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 3 boxes surround the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, a 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left. No, not 1 box left. 2 boxes left. Could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 4 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright, the other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 4 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 5. Let me see. Yeah. This box cannot be a 4 because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this 4 is not the solution. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 4. So now we have 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Let me see. 2. Yes. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. But also, this box cannot be a 2 or 1. 2 or a 1. Because I need a 2 or a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So, 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. I cannot place a 1 here because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes in there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. In this area we have a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 1. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So, and that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. Because I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3. Yeah. Yeah. I think this box cannot be a 3 or a 5, but can also not be a 2, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Yes. Alright, the 1. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5. 3 or 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Right? This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1. Alright, the difficult part is this 1. Alright. 1, 2, 2 or 5. 2, 5. 2, 5. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. Alright. 2, 5, 4. 2, 3. 1. Ay. These two boxes cannot be a 4. But also those two boxes cannot be a 4. I need a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be a 4 anymore. And I've eliminated the 4 here. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. Alright. So now we have 1, 3, 4. The 2 and the 5 are left. The 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 5. That means 5 in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 5. Alright. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. But also these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now I have a 1 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. And 1 box left. This should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. So 2 boxes left. The 5 and the 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left, 2 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this number should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. I like this one with 4 stars. I think whether it should be a 3 stars. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, boys and girls, you can also don't forget to subscribe. Yes, I forget to tell you, you can also subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday, December the 30th. Yes, 2 days to go. See you then. Bye bye for now.